victog.com.
Next question is also from exercise 6.2, question number 5. The question is, in the given figure, DE parallel to OQ, given DE parallel to OQ, and DF parallel OR, and DF parallel OR. Show that EF parallel QR. The figure given is this is triangle PQR. Triangle PQR, and this is the point O. Now joining PO. DE parallel to OQ. And DF parallel to OR. This is the given figure. We have to prove that EF parallel to QR. Join EF. We have to show that EF parallel to QR. This is the question. Now, we have to consider triangle POQ. First of all, we have to consider triangle POQ. In triangle POQ, or consider triangle POQ. In triangle POQ, it is given that DE parallel OQ, given that DE parallel OQ, and DF parallel OR, that is in the next triangle considering. So, here we have to apply BPT, therefore by BPT, therefore by basic proportionality theorem, we have the ratio of the sides PE by EQ is equal to, we have PE by EQ is equal to, PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO is equal to PD by DO. We are naming it as equation number 1. PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO. Now we are considering triangle POR. In triangle POR, in triangle POR, given that DF parallel to OR, DF is parallel to OR, again by BPT, then by BPT, then by basic proportionality theorem, we have PF by FR, PF by FR is equal to PD by DO, equal to PD by DO. This is equation number 2. We are naming it as equation number 2. Now we have to consider equation number 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, the right sides, here is PD by DO, here also it is PD by DO. The RHS, right hand sides, are equal. From equations 1 and 2, from equations 1 and 2, we are getting, by equating the LHS and RHS, by equating the LHS and RHS, we are getting the result as PE by EQ, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR, PF by FR, PF by FR. Then we have to consider the converse of BPT for triangle PQR. That is, by converse of BPT for triangle PQR, the ratio of the sides PE by EQ, PQR, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. PF by FR. Therefore, EF is parallel to QR. Therefore, EF is parallel to QR by the converse of BPT. By the converse of BPT for triangle PQR, we are getting the result PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. That is the ratio of the sides. PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Therefore, EF is parallel to QR. Hence proved. Hence we proved the result. So note this type of questions also a very good type of question for the board exam. So note these questions and study very well. Okay.